Chesterton is proud to introduce the 720 CCG Lubricant, an innovative oil gel lubricant engineered for applications that need extreme pressure, water, and corrosion resistance. Specifically tailored for chains, cables, and gears, this high-performance lubricant is designed to excel in the toughest operating conditions. In industrial settings, chains, cables, and gears face relentless challenges, from water exposure to chemical vapor and heavy loads. Traditional lubricants like oils and greases attempt to address these issues but fall short. Oils penetrate chains and wire ropes, but drip and wash off with water, causing messy conditions. Grease doesn't drip, but fails to lubricate internal friction points, leading to premature equipment failure. But here's where Chesterton's 720 CCG comes to the rescue. It's a semi-fluid gel, striking the perfect balance between oil and grease. It's thin enough to penetrate chains and wire ropes, yet thick enough to prevent dripping, wash off, wipe off, and squeeze out. Behind 720 CCG's outstanding performance lies in its exclusive QBT quiet bearing technology formula. This product exhibits extreme pressure and anti-wear resistance, boasting a 4-ball weld load up to 300% better than commonly used products. What's more, Chesterton's 720 CCG showcases unmatched water resistance by forming a formidable anti-corrosion barrier. This barrier lasts longer than 1,000 hours in an ASTM B117 salt fog corrosion resistance test, up to 400% better than conventional products. As a result, this product can be used on chains, cables, and gears that are exposed to water and heavy loads in food and beverage, mining, marine, and pulp and paper industries. Bid farewell to the hassle of frequent reapplication and messy contaminations. Elevate your equipment's performance and longevity with 720 chain cable gear lubricant.